Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, Oak Brook Medical Group in Oak Brook, Illinois. And look, I need to talk to you about something here real quick. If you guys are currently doing any type of treatment, chiropractic, maybe even rehab, things like that, and you just feel like, why am I not getting better? What is going on? I feel like I could trust these people. They seemed like they were going to do the right thing, but I'm just not getting the results that I want to be getting. Look, there's multiple reasons that could be happening. So here's the deal. One of the reasons is your inflammation is just crazy out of control right now, okay? That can happen simply from diet, from stress, from poor sleep, right? So as much as you may be in that chiropractor's office getting adjusted or doing that rehab, whatever it may be, if you see them for an hour, maybe 2 times a week, 3 times a week, but then the lifestyle on that back end is feeding that inflammation systemically in your body, it's going to be a constant battle. And that's why you probably feel at times like, no, doc, I'm finally getting better. It's stalled out again. What happens? Oh, I'm finally getting better. Oh, it's stalled out again. Like, that's one of the things we got to pay attention to is what does that inflammation look like in the body? But more importantly, how can we get that to calm down? The other thing that can be happening is your nervous system and the recovery systems in your body are just broken right now. With the way society is right now, with the way we are with technology and looking at a screen all day long, we stay in a constant fight or flight state. It's very hard to get that nervous system to down-regulate and calm down so that our body has the chance to increase the recovery systems to get us feeling better. So that's why you'll see a lot of videos out there. I'll let you guys go and look at them. But breathing techniques, meditation techniques, we talk to patients about it all the time, right? If you feel like you're in a constant fight or flight and you're stressed out all the time, we've got to get that to relax through breathing, meditation, something like that, just to get that nervous system to relax a little bit, because we want the body to focus on the right thing. And the right thing is to start to heal that pain so that you can feel better in that long term. The last thing is, if you guys have been dealing with chronic pain, so something that's been there for 2 months, 3 months, even into the years side of things, your brain is incredibly smart. So the longer you are in pain, the more the brain plasticity changes and it starts to memorize that pain pattern. So that's why we have patients that have come through here and they're like, look, doc, I've been in pain for 10 years and it takes so much longer to get them to feel better, right? Because the brain has remapped that wiring to go, this is just the way it is now. And that's not necessarily the case. So I'll give you a little secret and a little tip with that one. When I have a patient that comes into this office and he or she talks to the team, the way that I know they're 100% going to get better in this clinic is if their mindset, they look at me and they say, no, I know I'm going to get better. It's just going to take some time. If you can create that mindset of, I don't care how long I've been dealing with this, if I put in the work and I go ahead and I do the treatment and I do the plan exactly like I'm supposed to, I know I'm going to get better and I'm going to improve, then I promise you things are going to start to change. And that's what we need. So we got to calm down those 3 things. If we really want to get better, those are all the things we're going to look at in this clinic. That's why we combine the chiropractic, the physical therapy, the medical services, and we're always going to have those conversations with you. Okay, well, what does life look like outside of the clinic? Do we need to change some stuff in the diet? Do we need to calm down that nervous system a little bit? Or do we got to focus on that mindset and get you focused on, no, I know I'm going to get better. I'm going to work on this. So even though you may be doing all the things that you feel are right now and you just feel like you're stuck, I promise you that's the time. Call us at that number below. Oak Brook Medical Group, we're here to help you guys. And if you have any questions, reach out to us. We look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.